What are you about to do?
I'm about to get a penny of pocahontas. But I want a nicer one. Look, see, it's over there. No. Should I clean it?
Do you like it? Good morning! We have made it. Hey! You're in the vlog! Go that way. We have made it to the Polynesian. We got laid. How are we feeling about breakfast?
I'm excited. I don't know what is gonna happen. I don't know pretty much anything. I'm clueless, but I'm excited.
Yay! I'm so excited too. It's my second time.
Second time?
Yeah, second time. And breakfast is delicious.
Okay, I can't wait.
Yay! We're seated. We got pineapple coconut bread. Literally my favorite thing. It's so freaking good. Let's take a picture of it. Are you excited? Now that we're seated.
I see Mickey. He's behind me. So
You see who?
Mickey.
Oh yeah. Do you see who else is behind you? Lilo. Yay. Do we love the bread? Do we love the bread?
Delicious.
Oh, so good. Literally the best ingredients. Pineapples and coconuts. Yeah. It's being demolished. We haven't got there yet, but it's happening. We also got fruit, which is delicious. Try some juice. Some jungle juice.
What flavor is it?
Like everything.
Okay. Really good.
Yeah. Okay, your turn.
I love that. Wow.
Opportunity. Prime opportunity just missed. We all got coffee, and she pours her sugar packets into her jungle juice. Clearly, she needs the coffee.
No, wait. Okay, so I usually drink my coffee without sugar or cream, black. But for some reason I was like, yeah, I want some sugar today. Like, I want some sweet. And I guess I'm not used to putting it in my coffee. So I'm like, oh, bitch.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be going in my coffee. It's supposed to go into my jungle juice. Okay. Yay, we got our food.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. My
But look at the other one. No, look at the other waffle.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. It's Stitch.
I want me.
Not gonna lie, what?
This caught my attention real quick. The ham, that potato,
I'm so excited.
We're gonna go through a lot of these.
She's just taking everything.
Okay.
Sheesh. Save some for Evelyn and me, love.
Oh, you guys are eating too?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
You're gonna bring one for each of us.
All right, round one is basically finished. Do you like the food?
One more.
We will get more. Do you like the food?
It'd be better if the guy brought me some Tabasco. Where'd he go? Who knows? But it's good.
He went in the kitchen to get it.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Mickey! It's our first time meeting you. Yeah! Lilo. It's her first time too. What? Isn't it crazy? Beautiful. Beautiful. Hi, you want to get up? Go up. Okay. Yay! Adorable. Yes! Work it, girls, work it! Yes, be sassy, be sassy. Ooh. That was great. Hey, Evelyn. I told you you'd meet Lilo. I said I told you you'd meet Lilo.
That was awesome.
Excited.
I got to dance.
So happy.
Yes.
Yeah.
You worked, you had the moves in and everything. It's great. Did you enjoy meeting everyone? I'll translate. More excited than the food. Right?
Just as much as
Just as much excited. Okay. Yeah. I translated wrong, but you got the gist. It's fine. So satisfied with Ohana's? We like it?
It was so good.
Yay!
I haven't stopped eating.
Yeah, I think this is almost the end of plate 2, round 2. I love this. Give it a kiss. So, what happened?
someone decided that they didn't want their balloons. So me and Evelyn were like, free balloons, you say? So now I have a balloon.
Lady,
Me too.
why don't you put that back there too?
This one's mine.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna suck the helium out of this one because this has happy birthday and none of us are happy birthday. Plus, it's more aesthetically pleasing those
stars?
than these. So
Okay.
Ohana means family. What should I say?
I'm going to Disney.
Mom, I'm going to Disney World. It's my first time. Okay, that's my voice.
Yeah, I was like, that's your voice.
No, that's my voice. That's my voice. Sing a song. Sing a Disney song.
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go.
That's your song. I was gonna say that's your voice.
Let it go. I don't
Let
know.
it what?
I don't know what to sing. What to sing?
Your favorite song.
Wait, how does it go? Oh. And at last I see the light.
kingdom. Or do they just not like fly away?
Ladies, where did we make it?
We're in Magic Kingdom. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Who are you, Evelyn?
That's what I was
We're at the zoo.
We're at the zoo. Just kidding. We're at Animal Kingdom.
Yay! I'm excited. All right, are you guys ready for the big reveal
For
of
what?
the tree?
Oh my god. Wait, is that real?
No, it's man-made. But
It would have been cooler.
it's the symbol of Animal Kingdom. So like the castle for Magic Kingdom is the tree of life for Animal Kingdom. Yeah.
Alright, phones and cameras up. They are ready to take flight.
All right. First stop is gonna be Dino Land. This is how Adriana feels about that.
I'm super
This is how
excited for
Evelyn
it.
feels about it. It depicts it very well. I'm so excited. They're gonna ride dinosaur for the first time. Ah! Oh yes, you've arrived at Dinosaur. Dark places and scary dinosaurs.
You're an ass.
Oh my god. Are you so excited? Are you so excited? Guys, she loves dinosaurs. She's so excited. So does me.
I can't wait.
Evelyn is so excited.
And this one is.
What do we think of Dinosaur?
I hate him. I hate him. I hate him. I hate him.
What'd you think of the ride?
I hate him.
No, the ride.
No, the ride was fun. I mean, except the thing is, I was covering my eyes, so I couldn't hold on to the thing, so I was just.
Yeah, that's
bouncing.
what I told you.
But still, also, I don't like this skip shot.
That's why I told you to hold on.
I was bouncing up and down.
Evelyn, what'd you think?
So awesome.
You missed what she just did right now, though.
She didn't see it.
No, she didn't even see it. Okay, we are about to ride Kilimanjaro Safari, but we got pretzels to keep us entertained for this 95-minute wait. Lord help me, Jesus. I'm not used to 95 minutes for anything. Where'd she go? There she is.
I have a pretzel.
You have
Shaped
a
like Mickey. I also have it. And it's also shaped like Mickey.
Look, it's Mickey. Wait, look.
It's a hidden Mickey.
It's a hidden Mickey.
I am the hidden Mickey.
All right,
What is this?
let the journey begin.
Hi. We're about to get into what is it called?
The safari
Oh yeah, the safari boat. Boat.
truck.
It's a boat.
Truck. The truck.
I thought it was a boat. Never mind. We were playing the little heads up
Heads up game.
game
For
and
95
we
minutes.
hate her. Just kidding.
Dang,
She doesn't listen.
They take forever to give me a cruise. I can't.
We got first row. Just saying.
So it's gonna be lit.
It's also slightly nighttime, which is like exactly when I wanted to take them because like all the animals are out. So I'm like super excited for this safari.
Can't wait.
Takes
20 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah, buddy.
And Caraboni. Caraboni means welcome. And so it
Rabbi,
is. So
do you line
welcome
us
aboard.
down?
Hop on in, watch your step. We're getting out here in just a moment. They can grow to be almost 20 feet long, and that is
That's
the
what she's
length
so
of this
excited
entire
to see.
vehicle.
Oh my god, I love it. You see you?
For example, the ones on our left-hand side over there. One for Christmas, probably not
Muito
good.
people.
And now hippopotamus do spend most of their life, well, in water, like we see here. Yeah, it is a hippo. Now, they are nocturnal creatures, so we're seeing a little bit of activity here. Sometimes they kind of look about 2 o'clock out. just, you know, galloping around. Just Africa things. And there it goes. Well, after you. There we go. Check out his skin pattern. Notice how it's all blocky and around and jagged around the edges. Oh, really? Really? And okay, cool. He's just yerking out. Cool. Up top, kind of about midway up top. What a pose, right? Showing off.
I'm obsessed. Lion King, that was so cute.
Now, while in a typical pride of lions, they outnumber the males 10-1, and they run the show. They're the ones who do most of the raising of the cubs. They do most of the hunting at night. And even though they are beautiful animals, and really, really cute when they're just kind of sleeping and sitting around and licking themselves and yawning and being so cute and fluffy, you gotta remember, these are amazing predators. And even if it was pitch black light, you know, night here, and still so cute. I'm trying to say how dangerous you are. Stop being cute. You know, they can see 6 times better than humans at night. So it's absolutely incredible. She can sprint 50 miles an hour and can pounce 20 feet in one jump to catch her prey.
Wait,
Yes.
turn back.
He just really wants you to get that particular pose.
Oh, so beautiful.
Awesome. So that is also combined with the fact that we are right here. They can't see us. They know we're here, of course. They can hear me, they're talking, they can hear our truck, they can smell us. But those rhinos cannot see us because their eyesight is very, very poor.
Same.
Now, they're not called white rhinos because it kind of looks like a shaggy looking antelope. And it's usually found near water, drinks lots of water, also uses water as a defensive mechanism to escape from predators chasing it. One of the very few creatures that does that. I also think they're super cute because they have heart-shaped noses. Oh, no, please, after you. And white rings on their butts. It's super cute. In case you're wondering, a whole group of rhinoceros like this is referred to as a crash of rhinos.
I love them.
Earlier we saw a tower.
What'd you guys think?
This is awesome. Lions scare me, but not
Oh
as
my
much as
gosh.
not as much as dinosaurs. And that lion was
The lions
so
are
cute.
so beautiful. I love lions. Alrighty, we are now venturing into the land of Avatar, Pandora.
Oh, is it really?
Yes.
Yes.
Alrighty, we have got to the world, or we have gotten in line for a flight of passage. They have no idea what this ride is, so I'm gonna be very excited to get their review when we finish the ride.
Yes.
Now it says it's a 170-minute wait, but I've waited 70 minutes right beyond this little curve, so I don't know how much I believe it's 170 minutes, but we'll see. We may be here till park close. Who knows?
Hopefully not, because I still
But
want to
it'll
ride the
be-
other ride again.
Well, I don't think so, but it'll be worth it for this ride. Are you excited?
Please make sure everybody can see the screen.
It took us
2 hours later.
2 hours to just the line. We haven't even gone inside. Almost there.
We're almost
The
there.
park's closed.
I'm so excited. Yeah, now the park's closed. I'm so excited though. I'm so excited. Okay, guys.
I love that. Oh my god. I actually screamed and closed my eyes a couple of times. Oh my god. That was insane.
So worth it. So worth it. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So worth it, right? Okay. So what did we think of Animal Kingdom? Obviously we couldn't do everything.
I
Like we missed
loved it.
animals, but like,
I loved
what did you think of
it.
Animal
It
Kingdom?
was really fun. I like this one and
So Flight of Passage,
and the one that was
Expedition Everest.
Yes, those two
I
were
translate for them.
wonderful. Also, there was another one.
Kilimanjaro Safari?
Huh?
Kilimanjaro Safari?
The dinosaur.
You love dinosaurs.
No,
Stop
not that
cussing in my vlog.
one. Oh, my bad. Not that one. There was another one.
Kilimanjaro Safari.
Which one was that one?
The Safari.
The one with the animals inside. No, not that one.
Oh.
Was there another one?
No.
That was over here, no? We rode 3?
Four. We rode 4.
I thought we did 5.
No, we were gonna do 5, but the Happy River journey we couldn't get to.
Okay. Well, yeah, that was fun.
Okay. And I can't exactly get light, but what are your favorites?
Of today or of
Today.
today? I think the mountain. No, this one. This one's I've never done one like this before.
Flight of
so,
Passage.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. See, everyone says the 3-hour wait is always worth it. Oh, it's getting super dark. But
We had fun. We played
Yeah.
a lot of games.
did you like anything else?
Did I what?
Did you love anything else?
I loved all of them.
You loved all of it. Okay.
I love the mountain where it goes backwards, the Everest, and I love the dinosaur one.
So Dinosaur,
The
Expedition
animal.
Everest, and Flight of Passage.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They
same.
were all my favorite. Good choices. We
Thank
trust
you. Thank you very much.
So you're our guide.
All right, so we made it to Disney Springs, but we're gonna watch a movie. So like, there's nothing to vlog anymore. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.
And
That's the end of this adventure.
Yeah.
Yeah. You sign off. Hopefully. Oh. I'm falling.
Oh Jesus.
I'm
Okay.
falling for you.
And at the, okay. Boop. And she's down. Bye.